In this video I will show you how to backup your system and restore backup using AOMEI Backupper for free. Download and install the AOMEI Backupper software link below in description. I am already downloaded the software before. Install the software. Here you can see many more tools you can try, but I'm showing how to backup your system. You select backup option, then select system backup. Select where you save your system backup file. I select my destination. You select your destination, then click start backup. See backup starting. It's taking few minutes to backup. See backup finished. Let's see backup file, where I save. See here my backup file. How to restore backup file. I restore my backup file in this PC, again install the AOMEI Backupper software. See nothing installed in this PC. Run AOMEI Backupper software. You select restore option, then select image file. Now you select your backup image file. Sorry for the shaky videos. After select backup image, click next and click start restore. See backup restoring, it's taking few minutes finished. See backup restoring, it's taking few minutes finished. See all backup data restored successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.